Getting 100 clients in 100 days might sound impossible until you install the systems that make it happen. This isn't hype, it's execution. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to build the pipeline, the offer, the fulfillment process, and the backend support that allows you to enroll 100 clients without breaking your business or burning out. Most people are stuck at 5 to 10 clients a month because they have no system to generate leads consistently. They're still doing everything manually. Pricing and structure don't support volume, no onboarding automation, and no client communication system, and no help. Here's the truth. You can absolutely hit 100 clients in 100 days, but only if you stop operating like a freelancer and start building like a CEO. This video is your blueprint. We're walking through 3 parts. Part 1, the client acquisition system. Part 2, the fulfillment engine. And part 3, the retention and revenue stack. Let's start with the client acquisition system. Step 1, create a clear and compelling offer. No more I fix credit. You offer a transformation. For example, I help renters become mortgage ready, or I help entrepreneurs clean their credit and get funding. Name your system. Make it feel like a journey. People don't buy services, they buy results and clarity. Step 2, high volume content strategy. To bring in 100 clients, you need to reach thousands of eyes per week. Here's your content engine. 5 to 7 reels per week of 30 to 90-second educational clips. 1 story-based or client win post per week, and 1 long-form weekly breakdown. Go live, or it can be pre-recorded. Every piece should end with a soft call to action. For example, DM me ready if you want to work together, or comment fix if you want help fixing your credit. Remember, you're not selling in the content. You're pre-selling by showing proof, educating, and shifting beliefs. Step 3, a DM strategy that converts. DMs are where the majority of your clients will come from. Here's how not to sound like a robot. Your first message is all about value and curiosity. Hey John, saw you're looking to buy soon. Want me to take a look at your report and point out 2 to 3 quick wins for free? Your second message, lead with help. Happy to help either way. No strings, just figured I'd offer since I've helped others in your situation. And your third message, invite. If you're ready, I can walk you through how our process works. If you DM 15 to 20 people a day, that will get you between 1 to 3 qualified conversations per day. You only need 1 to 2 clients a day to hit 100 clients in 100 days. Step 4, your referral engine. Build partnerships with realtors, loan officers, car dealerships, apartment locators, and tax professionals. Create a quick Google Doc with how you work, your referral process, client success examples, and a link where they can use to refer people to you. Offer a small referral bonus or just a win-win situation. Next, let's talk about your fulfillment engine. Step 1, you need to have an automated onboarding flow. Every client signs up and is immediately guided through the process without you doing it manually. You need a welcome email sequence, intake form where they can upload their documents, a portal or client folder automatically created, your CRM updated, you and your team notified, and a dispute cycle triggered. This reduces your hands-on time to under 15 minutes per client. Step 2, outsource disputes and client service. This is how you scale without burnout. Outsource to a reliable dispute team like the one provided through Credit Repair Junkies. Outsource to a client care team that does onboarding calls, monthly progress check-ins, answers emails, calls, and texts. You're still in control, but you're no longer the bottleneck. Step 3, communication and retention system. Automate monthly update emails and text messages, score tracker reports, and re-engagement messages. This keeps clients informed, reduces cancellations, and boosts trusts. Finally, let's talk about retention and revenue stack. 100 clients isn't just about enrollments. It's about retaining and monetizing. Step 1, keep your clients 4 to 6 months. Retention comes from proactive communication, visible results, simple expectations, and friendly client experience. Send them monthly wins, even small ones. For example, hey John, 2 accounts were verified, 1 was deleted. Next cycle, we escalate. Step 2, stack your services. Once trust is built, offer business credit services, personal funding programs, and financial coaching. The goal is to increase the lifetime client value from maybe $800 to $1,500 per person. And step 3, add systems to scale. Once you have a working content and DM system, a working onboarding system, and fulfillment handle, you just repeat that process and turn up the volume. Hire a DM setter, bring on a VA, have a dispute manager. Every piece should be documented, trainable, and repeatable. So here's your 100-day roadmap. Weeks 1 and 2, craft your offer and price it right. Create onboarding and fulfillment system. Prepare your first 5 to 10 pieces of content and set up your referral documents and scripts. Weeks 3 through 6, DM strategy daily. Go live once a week. Land your first 10 to 20 clients and test your systems and tweak where necessary. Week 7 through 12, bring on help. Hire a VA or a dispute supporter or a setter. Expand your partnerships. Retain and upsell your existing clients. Track your progress weekly. At the end, you've got 100 clients, recurring revenue, automated fulfillment, and a real business, not a hustle. Inside the CRO Bootcamp, I help you build this step by step. 100 clients in 100 days is a guaranteed outcome, but the system behind it is what changes your life. From content to conversation, fulfillment to retention. We don't guess. Click the link below and let's get it done together. I'll see you on the next one.